born during the pandemic, she did not experience any kind of party as this. That's why binuhos na po namin ngayon todo na to, this 7th birthday. This is just the start. Enjoy the birthday party of Maddie. Thank you very much.
Wish na maging more studious ka pa sa iyong pag-aaral and maging responsibility pagdating ng panahon. And of course, just like what we said, walk to the path of God, anak. Kasi maraming uncertainty sa buong mundo, pero yan ang pinaka-certain. Yung lumakad tayo sa path ni Jesus.
Our birthday princess, Maddie!
Seven years ago, we were already content, dalawang boys, a full house, and that quiet decision in our hearts na baka hanggang dun na nga lang kami. Life was getting more expensive, dumadami ang responsibilities, so adding another baby wasn't part of the plan anymore.
So, when we found out na delayed yung wife ko for 2 days already, last August 2018, I had this feeling yung tipong lahat dinidismiss pero ayaw niyang tantanan. But 2 pregnancy tests yung sinubukan namin during that time. And it came back positive, parehas. So, hindi namin alam kung anong feeling namin na mararamdaman namin. Tatawa ba kami, maiiyak, or maluluha.
So we decided na to keep it to ourselves muna, especially because we were going through a family situation that time. Parang ayaw muna namin dagdagan yung bigat ng paligid. But deep inside, there was this gentle reminder I couldn't ignore that this baby was an unanswered prayer.
Lagi namin sinasabi na unang baby namin is a girl. At ang papangalan namin sa kanya ay Maddie. But then, gave us 2 amazing boys, and along the way, naisip namin na baka hindi talaga para sa amin yung baby na yun. But God has other plans. Katulad nga ng sinabi niya sa salita niya sa Psalm 127:3 na children are heritage from God. So talagang even na though na hindi namin plano, but plano ni God, talagang ginrant niya para sa amin si Maddie.
In that moment, lahat ng doubts, worries, and uncertainties parang nawala. It was as if God was gently saying, I heard you, I remembered. And just like that, our Maddie chose us. 7 years later,
She is still the most beautiful reminder that sometimes the best blessings comes when you least expect them,
and that God's timing is always perfect.
Thank you for the gift of her life, for the joy she brings to those around her, for the unique light you have placed within her. We ask that you continue to guide her steps, nurture her spirit, and fill her days with kindness, wisdom, and wonder.
Just like you, this place was amazing. Talagang napakaganda at pinaghandaan. Just like what the God na ginawa sa'yo ng Lord na talagang binigay ka niya on the best time. So, enjoy this day and always stay as sweet as you are. Huwag ka magbabago. Always love your 2 brothers. And lagi ka pa rin malapit kay Daddy. And so, always sasabihin mo lagi na, I love you, Daddy. Until hanggang pagtanda sana at until na tumanda, huwag ka magbabago kay Daddy. Eto na.
Happy birthday, anak.
We love you.